Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to export subscribers from Flodesk. Alright, so first up, just go ahead and log into your Flodesk account. Now once you're in here on your dashboard, go to the top and here you have these tabs. Okay, basically just click on Audience, click on it, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you'll have your contact list or subscribers list. Okay, so at the top right here we have these tabs. Just click on segments like so, and in here you will have all of your segments. Okay, for example, you wanted to export all of your subscribers, so just hover your mouse into subscribers right here, then go to the three dots, click on it, and here you have the option to download the CSV. Click on it. Now it says here we are exporting your subscribers. Once your export file is completed, we'll email a link so you can download your file. Okay, so just wait for an email. Make sure to check the email that is tied to your Flodesk account. All right, and the email should look like this. It says here, your CSV export is here. So just click on this link. Wait for a download page to pop up. Save it wherever you want. Rename it if you want to. My Flodesk subscribers. And then just hit on save. And there you have it. So I'm just going to open it up just for you to see. And here's our exported subscribers. And that's how you export subscribers from Flodesk. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.